I'm going to show you how you can change your icon size on Android. Now, it depends on what kind of phone you have, but I'm going to show you the more generalized method on how you can do this. First off, you want to go to settings and then you want to go to themes. So just type in themes like this, find themes, and then on themes, you want to tap on this icon here. And then from here, you want to go to my account. And then on my account, you want to go to icons. Now on icons, pick your current icon. So right now I have minimal here, right? Now on here, just make sure to click on apply. Now make sure it's applying. And then after that, go to this button, icons. And then on icons, you can see there is icon size like this, right? Now on icon size, you can adjust it like this, right? Just use this slider and then you can adjust the icon size just like that. I do just recommend making it on the recommended size right there on the middle. But if you want to make it really big, you can. If you want to make it really small, again, you can. But of course, this is as small as it gets before it gets unusable. So of course, just keep it normal here. I'm just going to make it be in the middle here. And then like that. And then that's it. You're done. That is how you adjust your icon size on Android.